BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to IGS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. PV-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be at flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kilo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Pondam and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger. This is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Oh, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Deck is in motion. Recruits are wanting to transport.
Sequence on deck 3 of Pucara.
That's better. Get the binary motor. Yes, I just want to be sure.
Recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
They're warm. Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive roll system.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor. Thank you, Nina. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on. All ships, launch. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First Order TIE fighters. Reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us. What the heck?
We got Red 2 more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action. I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw to the right.
Down in action. Get it clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from?
They're
in the tractor beam. He's pulling us in.
I'll go get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want a location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
See them all wait for interrogation. Quickly.
Oh my gosh, what a different face!
Oh boy.
Wait, Mama.
Don't tell them the truth, don't tell them our information. Whatever they do, that's good.
Different personalities.
Not playing on escaping.
Single file, stop where he stops.
Unit of two, step forward.
This unit will follow me first, followed by this unit, follow me. Forward, you'll be part of the blue unit. Go on ahead. Single file line. 3, you'll be part of the red. How many? 5.
Whee!
3 on orange, 4 on silver. 3 Listen to me carefully. Each unit has been assigned a color. Make sure you stay with those colors. You're either silver, white, orange. We have blue and red. You'll be facing this way. Make sure you follow all instructions. Once the interrogation cells open, make sure we move in all the way in, away from the door.
Hold here. How many are you? 3. Line up here on blue. How many are you? You'll line up on red. How many are you? You'll line up here on silver. How many are you?
What color are
You'll
you?
line up on orange.
What color are we over here?
You'll line up on orange. Blue.
What color are we over here?
See 1 of 4 colors. Blue, red, silver, and orange. Remember your colors. You'll be called by them during your interrogation.
Followed by silver, white.
Follow it quickly this way. Don't touch the wall.
Luke gives stormtrooper.
Is this a trash compactor?
All the way in.
This is where the Disney.
Make sure we answer all questions.
This is where we're. I think that's it. That's all that goes in the room.
Prisoners are secure.
It's VIP.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
They bring it in? Yes. Take us out of here.
One moment. Go.
Okay, we're back. Go.
Wait, you still here? I'll come back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Buck, we need to find a way.
Reportos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Let's do it! Let's do it!
Get out of here.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant, we'll guide you.
For your safety, with seatbelt securely fastened, keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. It's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good, now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
You're not authorized. Wait!
Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Now's a good time. The escape pods should follow us. Wait, what are you doing now? I'm shut down. It's bad. It's really
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Our brains were ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer is about.
There's no escape. You would tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Rhino, scan for his pocket.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from key personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
Tracking that spot at the wreckage, sir.
Wreckage? What bad feeling about this?
No, sir, he came down at the wreckage.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation.
That was so cool.
Sam's last shot from the Sector 4.
Waiting for it.
Sir, you had no choice. You had to get those data tapes off the ship.
Never leave anyone behind.
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.